Hello, dear Virgos. Welcome to your weekly horoscope starting on July 29th, 2024. The week begins with a focus on details and precision. Use these days to thoroughly complete your tasks and stay organized. You will achieve a lot if you proceed in a structured manner. Your analytical skills are particularly strong. This is the perfect time to solve complex problems and refine your plans. Trust your intuition and sharp mind. The weekend brings a phase of relaxation and well-being. Use this time to rest and enjoy activities that bring you joy. Take care of your health and give yourself some rest. Plan regular breaks to boost your productivity. Even if you work hard, it's important to take time for rest and self-care. Let the stars guide you and have a wonderful week full of success and relaxation.